when the Article 370 abrogation decision would be made by the Supreme Court. A batch of 23 petitions that were heard, and the Supreme Court to announce judgment tomorrow. And ahead of that, a high-level security meeting has taken place or is taking place in Jammu and Kashmir. The crucial gathering will be overseen by prominent figures from the Ministry of Home Affairs and will include the participation, or will have the participation, of Jammu and Kashmir's Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha alongside various key security officials attending virtually. Essentially, this seems to be aimed at making sure that there is no untoward security fallout of the judgment on Article 370 abrogation. That is all set to be pronounced tomorrow in the morning by the Supreme Court. I am told Gursimran Singh joins us live from Jammu to give us an idea on what is being planned. Gursimran, if you're getting me, please tell us, what's the security meeting about? Is it about beefing up security in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir ahead of the Article 370 abrogation verdict in Supreme Court tomorrow?
See, Abhishek, the meeting is still underway. We are being told that a senior prominent figure from the Ministry of Home Affairs, along with the officials from the MHA, are part of this meeting that is being attended by the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha. The DGP Jammu and Kashmir, R.R. Swain, is joining the meeting along with the ADG Law and Order and IG Kashmir from the Police Control Room in Srinagar, while IG Jammu is joining from the PCR Jammu, along with the officials from the CRPF and other sister intelligence agencies. And during the meeting, what we are picking up so far, that a clear directions have been passed to ensure that whatever is the decision of the Supreme Court, it needs to be ensured that the law and order is maintained on the ground, because we have seen there are some elements that are trying to mount trouble ahead of the decision of the Supreme Court by fear-mongering the people, and that's why the clear directions have been passed by the Ministry of Home Affairs that there needs to be no law and order situation on the ground, and for that all the steps that they are needed to be taken at an appropriate time. This meeting comes almost 16 hours prior to the decision, because we are expecting that by tomorrow 11 the things will be clear, and now the meeting is underway that is being attended virtually by the officials from the Jammu and Kashmir, as well as the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. Manoj Sinha is joining from the Raj Bhavan. He was in a program today afternoon when he was conveyed that a meeting will be chaired by the MHA, and then he rushed to the Raj Bhavan. So is the case with the other officials that were along with him from the police as well as the civil administration. We are also being told that a thorough roadmap has been made earlier by the top brass of the J&K police along with other security agencies. That was also presented during this meeting by the top official of the MHA, and this was shared that how detailed everything has been put in place, so that if there is any need or any law and order situation arises, how it can be tackled without any collateral damage, because the minute management that was done on August 5, 2019 when 370 and 35 alpha was abrogated, that is something very important, and that was important, and now similar kind of plan has been put in place as the decision will be announced by Supreme Court tomorrow, Abhishek.
Okay, Gursimran, just stay with me. I believe there is a political development also connected with the story, which is Omar Abdullah, while suggesting that, of course, the verdict has to come tomorrow, but then he has sort of suggested that there is some threat coming in to his party workers. Let's listen to what Omar Abdullah has said, then I come back to you, Gursimran, to understand. Omar Abdullah first.
उन्होंने इस मीटिंग में हिस्सा लिया।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फैसला सुनाना है, सुनाए। अगर हमने हालात बिगाड़ने होते हम 19 के बाद बिगाड़ते, लेकिन हमने उस वक्त भी कहा, आज भी हम कहते हैं, हमारी ये लड़ाई जो है, ये जितनी भी दिन चले, हम पुरअमन तरीके से आईनी तौर पे कानून का साथ लेके अपने हकूक के लिए, अपने इज्जत के लिए, अपनी वकार के लिए, अपनी पहचान के लिए अपनी लड़ाई जो है हम जारी रखेंगे। इसमें क्या गलत है? की तरफ से उनको धमकियां दी जा रही हैं, उनको कहा जा रहा है कि व्हाट्सएप पे ये मत लिखो, ट्विटर पे फेसबुक पे ये मत लिखो। क्या आपकी धमकी सिर्फ नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए है? मुझे बताओ, अगर आपने किसी बीजेपी के लीडर को बुलाया, कल को अगर अल्लाह ने चाहा और फैसला उनके खिलाफ जाएगा और उस फैसले के खिलाफ वो कल फेसबुक पे लिखना शुरू करेंगे, आप क्या करोगे? हमें तो थाने बुला के आप धमकी देते हो, इन लोगों को आप सिर पे चढ़ाते